Hello, Business 600A students. This is Professor Hassey speaking to you live and in color this Sunday morning, August 3rd from Claremont, California. And I want to do one last video to say goodbye to you all and thank you for your fine work this past summer. And also encourage you, if you have not already done so, to complete the course evaluation. And for some of you, remember to post your final examination work by midnight tonight, August 3rd. Once I have all the work received, I will be grading your work over the course of the next few days and posting your grades by the end of the week. But be sure to complete the course evaluation if you'd like to receive 5 extra credit points to the final examination. And then I will post all your grades. As I post the grades, if any of you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to be in contact with me. This course has been a difficult course because it's so much material to cover in such short time. And I think you all have done a great job. Trying to mix accounting and finance, which are two distinctive different areas of study in business, into one course can be challenging, but I think you all have done a great job managing the different types of work, assignments, and papers. And I would like to show you a quick video, which is kind of a goofy video to show MBA students, but I wanted to do it anyways, of showing what this work entitles you in your career or your career options. I know we have some students doing a combination MBA and law degree, and that's a whole other different area. But there's a great demand now for accounting and finance skills in the workplace, both in the strategic critical thinking area and in the people management area of business. So I want you to think about this as you go forward in your career. You have some great skills as you complete your MBA and your law degree. You all have some wonderful skills and wonderful attributes to offer employers, or even if you decide to go into business for yourself. So let's take a look at this video.
Are you considering a career in accounting or finance and wondering what sets them apart? Well, you're in the right spot. We're going to help you decide which one aligns best with your career aspirations. But first, please do us a favor. Hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful career content. Before choosing the right path for you, let's explore the typical day of accountants and financial analysts. Let's get started. Imagine Sarah, an accountant, whose day starts with a review of financial statements, making sure every digit is spot on and compliant with the financial regulations. After this, it's time for some bookkeeping. She meticulously tracks every financial transaction, categorizing each expense and income entry to maintain up-to-date records. As the day progresses, Sarah's focus shifts to budget analysis. This involves working closely with businesses to help them use their financial resources wisely. And since tax season is just around the corner, the pace intensifies. Sarah dedicates the rest of the week to preparing tax returns. She must navigate through the complexities of tax codes, which are constantly changing, to ensure full compliance. Her keen eye to detail helps her spot a few discrepancies and resolve them. Do you think your analytical skills meet the challenge of an accounting task? All right. Next, meet Alex, a junior financial analyst, fresh in the game, spending his days gathering information and crafting financial models. His work, though often behind the scenes, is crucial. He sifts through market reports and financial statements, extracting pivotal data points. His daily tasks include running complex analyses using advanced Excel functions, building and adjusting financial models to forecast future earnings, and assessing investment opportunities. Alex often uses specialized financial platforms like Bloomberg or Routers to track real-time market trends and gather the in-depth intelligence needed for his models. Each dataset he analyzes tells a story, turning raw numbers into strategic roadmaps. Alex takes great pride in what he does, as senior analysts and decision-makers rely on the accuracy of his financial models to guide their strategies. He's not just processing numbers, he's translating the language of finance into actionable insights. As he gains experience, he will evolve into a senior financial analyst leading his own team, interpreting data and engaging with clients. Overall, this job is a blend of the precision and detail-oriented nature of accounting with the strategic, forward-looking perspective of finance. Now, could this be your dream daily routine? Hold that thought and stay with us for more insights. Okay, now let's compare these two credentials side by side. The worlds of accounting and financial analysis are both complex and rewarding, each with unique challenges and responsibilities. Accounting is all about recording and reporting a company's financial transactions, providing a rear-view mirror perspective of its fiscal health. Picture accountants as financial historians and detectives, meticulously piecing together each transaction. Their aim? To craft a transparent financial narrative through statements. Finance, on the other hand, is forward-looking. It's about using those financial statements to make projections, strategize, and steer the company's future financial direction. In a sense, financial analysts are the navigators and forecasters. They take the accountant's work and probe deeper, using those numbers to forecast what's ahead, identify growth opportunities, or even areas where cost-cutting is needed. Basically, their role begins where the accountant's ends. But we're not just here to discuss roles. We've got some exclusive insights for you. Stick around for a special segment with ready-to-use resources and boosting career advice to help you get started in finance. Okay, now let's talk about the roles of financial analysts and accountants in terms of risk management. Accountants focus on preventing errors in financial reporting, guarding against inaccuracies that could lead to bad decisions or legal troubles. Meanwhile, financial analysts grapple with the unpredictability of the future. A wrong forecast can spell disaster, like overproduction and financial losses. But how do such professionals approach problem solving? Accountants thrive on precision, making sure every financial record aligns with standards such as GAAP or IFRS. They tackle complex issues like deciding when revenue from a big sale should be recognized and whether it's properly accounted for and reflected in the financial statements. Financial analysts, however, are strategic forecasters, using data to predict market trends and consumer behavior, blending hard data with educated guesses. For example, they might analyze how a shift in consumer preferences could impact future sales, turning information into insights for decision-making. Now, what can you expect to earn in these fields? Financial analysts have a median annual salary of around $95,000, with top earners making over $169,940. Accountants, meanwhile, average around $78,000 a year, with the top 10% earning more than $132,690. Remember, these figures can vary based on experience and the sector you're in. For instance, financial analysts in investment banking typically start with higher salaries compared to those in other sectors. Good to know. Education-wise, both careers generally begin with a bachelor's degree in related fields like finance, economics, or business. Advanced degrees and certifications, like an MBA for financial analysts or a CPA for accountants, can significantly boost your career prospects. Credentials hold significant importance for accountants and financial analysts. The Certified Public Accountant (CPA) designation, especially critical for accountants, represents the most prestigious and esteemed title in finance, symbolizing extensive knowledge of U.S. public accounting standards and practices. On the finance side, while many analysts may also be CPAs, the Chartered Financial Analyst (CFA) designation is more prevalent and tailored to their profession. The CFA focuses on investment decision-making, unlike the CPA, which is more oriented towards public accounting. CFAs are experts in managing investments and making informed financial decisions on behalf of clients or employers, demonstrating mastery in a wide range of investment-related topics. And now, let's unravel that special insight we mentioned earlier. You get the chance to enroll at our platform for free and watch the course Who Does What in Finance at no cost. And if you're just starting in the field and applying for jobs, you may want to use our free resume builder to help you craft a compelling story of your professional background. As a beginner, we recommend that you take it a step further and impress a prospective employer with your practical skills. How? Complete one of our free real-world Excel projects and build a portfolio to demonstrate your practical knowledge even without real work experience. You can find all the links to access these and more resources in the description below. Whether you're drawn to the detailed world of accounting or the strategic realm of finance, both paths offer rewarding and challenging careers.
Sorry about the commercial at the end of that video, but that's a good video. I know it's a little bit in tune to the undergraduate type of student, but you all are are in your careers or beginning careers, and it gives you a little bit of an idea of what's out there, and you might be interested in developing it. Speaking of development, I've already mentioned this before to you all, but in case you, going forward in the future, if you need any networking, if you need any recommendation letters, if you need any information, please feel free to call on me. I'd be more than happy to help you out and act as a network source for you. I have a LinkedIn account, which many times I publish information about business, accounting, finance to that LinkedIn site. Please, you're welcome to join it. And any other information, I will keep this D2L space open for over a year in case you need to refer to it for other courses or just work. Take advantage of getting to know the Laverne database, D&B Hoovers, to help you with research or if your own private research and your own management of your own financial affairs. So again, I wish you much success. Hope to see you all at graduation. Please look me up. If you need anything, I'm there for you. Please complete your course evaluations, and I'll send you an email when I have all the grades posted later this week. It's been a pleasure. It's been an honor. Much success. Adios.